I'm Delane Simpson. I want to call the Code Enforcement and Nuisance Board meeting to order, June 26, about 5:18. Roll call, please.
Deere.
Yes.
Simpson.
Yes.
Dearbone.
Yes.
Wilder. Thomas.
Swear in our staff. Swear to tell the truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God. Thank you. We have the minutes from May 22nd. Any discussion regarding the minutes? There's a motion to approve.
Motion to approve. Second.
Deere. Dearbone. Deere.
Yes.
Simpson.
Yes.
Dearbone.
Yes.
Wilder. Thomas.
All right, we have to go to in the closed session in a little bit, but first off, we need to talk about case number 1, and that is case 2018-3800, citation 2018-6260.2, 1169 Cruson Drive, owner Westside Ventures, Mills Property, Jason Mills owner, and Mo, this is your case, but I don't see anyone from that particular party here. Is that correct? So we just move right along.
Stands as written, Mr. Chairman. They don't appear.
All righty, so
I have a question though. What is the property tax on there? What does that do with us?
What's that now?
On the property invoice.
I wanted to give you all that copy so you would see the grand total that he owes for that property for code enforcement fees.
The property tax is something else.
That's correct. It shows on this search, you can do this on the city website for any property in the city limits and see what is owed on those properties. It's very accurate, and so I printed that out for you all so you could kind of see what we were looking at overall.
any further business to be discussed?
Mr. Chairman, I would ask that we have some pending litigation, and I would like to go into closed session to discuss pending litigation, after which we can come back in open session and adjourn unless.
Make a motion.
Motion to move to closed session.
Thomas. Deere.
Yes.
Simpson.
Yes.
Dearbone.
Yes.
Wilder. Yes. Thomas.
Now in